Finding what version of .NET you have running on your computer may not be as straightforward as you might think. You go into the registry, look up some numbers, and then you take those numbers and look them up in a search engine such as Google, cross-reference those numbers to find out what version you have. To make things worse, you might have several versions of .NET running on your computer. That's because different pieces of software require different versions of .NET. A much easier way is simply to have a piece of software that you can run and it just tells you. Now, I have a direct link to such a piece of software, but I'm also going to tell you where to find a good link in case this one disappears. Things on the internet are constantly moving around and we have to chase them all the time. One of my favorite sites is MajorGeeks.com because everything there has been vetted very, very well, and you know it's safe if it comes from there. I just went to the search engine here and went to .NET Checker. And now if I go down past the ads, it happens to be this one. This is the one that I chose. It's portable, which means it doesn't need to be installed. So now that you know where to find it, and by the way, there are several others here in case that one ever disappears. So I'm just going to go ahead and click my link here. It's going to open Softpedia, which is another place that this particular file happens to exist. And now I'm going to open my Windows Explorer, go to Downloads, and there's my .NET Checker. It's a zipped folder, so if I double click it, I can see the actual application right here, NetCheck. I'll click that and run it. And now I can see that I do not have 4.5 through 4.7 installed. However, if I click the next button, I do not have 4 installed, but I do have 2, 3, and 3.5 installed. So now I know what I need to install, and I even have download links in these things so that I can download them quickly.